Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your OnePlus 13. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Tudia MergeGrip case with MagSafe for the 13, the OnePlus 13. I did a video earlier for Tudia. It was the MergeGrip without the MagSafe, so I wanted to try out the one with MagSafe because a lot of people was asking for it. I need to give a shout out to Tudia for sending this case out to me for a review. You can pick up this from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. But like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. We'll see how strong that magnet is. Can your wireless charge? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? How are the buttons? The overall feel of the case, the fit, just the normal things you look for in a case review. But let's get into it. Nice packaging from Tudia. If you want to follow them on their social media websites, you can. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do that also. Bam. Oh, it's two-tone. So it has the navy blue and then the black two-piece case in there. Their little logo on there. So it's hard plastic. It's going to protect your investment. So yes, you do have camera protection there. You also have lip protection all the way around. I love the grip. And then it has little grips on the sides too, so when you hold it, it feels good and it's not going to just fly out. The power button is nice and tactile. Vine rockers are nice and easy to press. Everything lines up at the bottom there. Everything lines up at the top. Does it add bulk? No, it does not add bulk to your watch. I mean, to your phone at all. To your watch. Does not add bulk to your phone at all. Either one. And then also the alert slider is easy to get to too. See, I've been doing a bunch of Samsung cases, so bam, you have the alert slider there. Nice indentation there. So overall, doesn't add bulk. Buttons are great. The overall fit is pretty good. I mean, here you have to tug a little bit, but not bad. All the way around too. Not a bad fitting case. And then to get it out, you heard that snot, right? So overall, it is a good fitting case. You have a little Tudia logo there too. And then look, I mean, just the grip that you get with this case. That's why they call it a grip case, right? But let's see. Can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge, as you can tell there. And then the magnet, that is pretty strong. Let's see. Yeah. I'm gonna break my little charger. Let's see. Yeah, it's on there, y'all. I mean, again, you have to really shake it to get it off. So again, no one's gonna sit there and shake their stuff like this and try the thing. So for everyday use, that magnet is really strong. So this case checks off a lot of boxes. It checks off what you look for. Oh, the button's nice and tactile and easy to press. Check. Everything at the bottom lines up. Check. Everything at the top lines up. Check. Do you get camera protection and lip protection? Check. The overall fit is really good. Check again. I mean, does it add bulk? Nope. I mean, everything checks off when you're looking for a case, especially for the OnePlus. There's not many cases out there. So if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. Again, you can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 13. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.